Struggling with daily offender management as a corrections officer or veteran? What if your hands-on experience could launch you into leadership and specialized roles across Australia's correctional system? 3CIR's CSC40122 Certificate IV in Correctional Practice is designed for you, serving members and veterans. This nationally recognized qualification builds skills in supervising detainees, team leadership, and in streams such as case management or emergency response. Complete 12 units, 4 core like workplace safety and offender supervision, plus 8 electives tailored to your path. With RPL, credit your real-world expertise for a fast finish, no prerequisites needed. Advance to supervisory positions in custodial or community settings. Ignite your passion, gain the edge to manage safer facilities, and grow your career. Visit 3cr.com now, enroll today, and step into your future. Ready to lead? Let's go!